Welcome to the ultimate showcase of luxury Amazon kitchen gadgets, specially curated for those who love high-end appliances and sleek, innovative tools. From revolutionary kitchen knives to smart refrigerators, these top-tier gadgets will elevate your kitchen into a hub of convenience and style. Stick around to discover these luxurious finds and how they can take your cooking experience to a whole new level. And as always, the links to these items are in the description below. Let's dive in. 1. Ultrasonic kitchen knife. Want to slice like a pro? The Ultrasonic kitchen knife brings cutting-edge technology to your home. Using ultrasonic waves that create 50,000 blade movements per second, this knife makes food preparation faster and more precise. Plus, with wireless charging, you can take it anywhere, making all your chopping tasks effortless while preserving the natural flavors of your ingredients. 2. Custom foam design printer. Next up, we have a gadget that will take your drinks to the next level. This custom foam design printer creates personalized designs on the foam of your coffee, cocktails, or desserts in just 10 seconds. It uses only plant-based ingredients and connects via Wi-Fi, making it perfect for entertaining guests or adding a special touch to your morning coffee. 3. Electric griddle. This versatile electric griddle can grill, sear, and steam all on one large non-stick surface. With built-in heating elements for even heat distribution, your food will cook perfectly every time. The vented stainless steel lid helps retain moisture when steaming, making it ideal for vegetables or shellfish. Whether you're cooking breakfast or dinner, this griddle makes meal prep easier and more efficient. 4th, countertop pizza oven. If you love pizza, you're gonna want this countertop pizza oven in your kitchen. It can reach temperatures of up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, cooking a perfect 12-inch pizza in just minutes. Whether it's a Neapolitan-style pizza or a frozen one, the 5 preset options let you pick the perfect temperature. The included pizza stone ensures a crispy crust every time. 5. Robot vacuum. No one wants to clean while cooking, and with this robot vacuum, you won't have to. Featuring Matrix Clean navigation, this smart vacuum covers every inch of your floor, cleaning in a grid pattern. It empties itself for up to 60 days, and with Wi-Fi and voice control, you can manage it from your phone or with a simple command. Perfect for kitchens with pets or heavy traffic. 6. Countertop Convection steam oven. This gadget combines the best of multiple cooking methods: baking, broiling, toasting, and steaming, all in one unit. Steam cooking helps retain nutrients and uses less oil, making your meals healthier. With 40 preset cooking options, this oven is perfect for anyone who wants a versatile and efficient tool for quick, delicious meals. 7. Fridge odor and bacteria reducer. Tired of your fridge smelling like last week's leftovers? This device reduces odors and bacteria in your fridge, keeping your food fresher for longer. It even tracks energy use and suggests ways to save power when you open the fridge. With different modes depending on how full your fridge is, it's a smart, eco-friendly addition to any luxury kitchen. 8. Handheld food printer for bakers and party hosts. The handheld food printer is a game changer. It lets you print custom designs on cookies, macarons, cakes, and even drinks. Using roller sensor technology, it can print on curved surfaces, allowing you to personalize your treats with ease. It's compact, easy to use, and perfect for anyone who loves to get creative in the kitchen. 9. Smart refrigerator with family hub. This high-tech smart refrigerator goes beyond just cooling your food. With its family hub feature, you can manage shopping lists, check what's inside without opening the door, and even order groceries. The sleek, fingerprint-resistant finish and the built-in beverage center make it as stylish as it is practical. The dual ice maker also ensures you're always stocked with plenty of ice for your gatherings. 10. Countertop water filter system. Want cleaner, healthier water? This countertop water filter system offers 7 stages of purification, including UV light and remineralization, to ensure top-notch water quality. It requires no installation, so you can easily place it in any kitchen. The smart LED control panel lets you monitor the water quality, and the high-quality glass carafe provides safe, eco-friendly storage. 11th, sous vide water oven. Perfect cooking results every time. This sous vide water oven uses stable temperature control to cook food evenly while retaining its flavors and juices. The double wall insulation reduces heat loss, making it energy efficient and ideal for slow cooking. Whether you're preparing steak or vegetables, sous vide cooking ensures meals are healthier with less added salt or fat. 12th, indoor smoker. If you love the taste of smoked dishes but don't want the hassle of outdoor smoking, this indoor smoker is the perfect solution. It uses active smoke filtration to turn wood smoke into warm air, letting you enjoy deliciously smoked flavors right at home. With precision smoke control, you can adjust both the heat and smoke levels for optimal cooking. The smoker also comes with preset food options, making it easy to cook meats and fish to perfection, all without leaving your kitchen. 13. Rice cooker. This high-end rice cooker ensures fluffy, perfectly cooked rice every time. With precise heat adjustments and a steaming tray, you can steam vegetables or fish alongside your rice for a complete, healthy meal. The non-stick coating prevents food from sticking, making cleanup a breeze. It also features various cooking functions for different types of rice and grains, making it versatile enough for all your meal preparation needs. 14th. Sparkling water machine. Love sparkling water? This high-quality sparkling water machine makes it easy to create your favorite carbonated drinks at home. The one-handed operation and self-lock function ensure perfect carbonation results every time. Plus, it's made from durable stainless steel, minimizing plastic use while adding a sleek, modern look to your countertop. 15. Wireless meat thermometer. Finally, for the grill masters out there, the wireless meat thermometer is a must-have. With 4 probes and 6 sensors, you can monitor the temperature of multiple dishes simultaneously, all from your phone via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. It's waterproof, durable, and comes with a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 50 hours, making it perfect for BBQs, grilling, or oven cooking. There you have it. These 15 luxurious Amazon kitchen gadgets are perfect for taking your culinary experience to the next level. Whether you're cooking, baking, or just looking for smarter ways to organize your kitchen, these tools bring convenience, style, and innovation to your home. Be sure to check out the links to all these products in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Up for more incredible kitchen gadget reviews.